Where is it?
Daddy tears.
Get it then. Good girl.
Oh no. I still do the game.
Just be careful not to lean on it.
Okay. I don't lean on my hands.
Good girl. That's it. Well done. Do you need a wee-wee?
No, thank you.
Okay. You sure?
Nope.
Are you sure you don't need a wee-wee?
No. This is me.
Come on, which bit's next?
Help.
Which bit's next?
I need help. Help.
Right, which bit are we looking for?
Where's the red dog?
Try that bit over there, look. Can you see the dog's bum with the cup? Can you get it?
I'm gonna get it. Just gonna get it. Get it!
That's it. Good girl. That's it. Now then, which bit's next?
Where's the cup to milk in?
Can you see it?
I can't see it anymore. Where's he going?
I don't know. Right, do another bit. Finish the cat bit. Where's the rest of the cat?
That was the cat.
Come on then, put it together.
Daddy, this.
No, not that cat. That's another cat, isn't it?
Oh. Daddy was the cat spun with a paper. Can't see it anywhere. Just with me.
I'm looking, darling. Is it that bit over there with the girl's yellow hair? You see?
Can't see
That bit there?
that bit.
Yeah, try that bit with the girl's yellow hair.
Oh, good. I'm gonna get it.
Is it that one? Not that one. That's it. Is that the right one?
Yes.
Try it.
Yes.
Mind the dog, look.
Oh, sorry. Where's the there?
Oh, is it that one?
Not that.
Isn't it?
Nope. I can't find it anymore.
Which one are we looking for? That one.
Yeah. That bit. There's the rest of a cat.
Ah, there we go, look. Good girl. Well done.
Molly.
Okay, we'll put it on in a second. Can you do it? Just stop leaning on the pieces.
I won't. What bit are you looking for?
Right, so, which bit's that?
It's...
Do you need a wee-wee? Do you need a wee-wee?
No.
Do you?
No.
Do you need a wee-wee?